In the earlier video, that is the first video, we have discussed about how ergot is produced by inoculating the conidiospores in the rye plant and allowing the formation of ergot. Now that is normally done in the field, and it is a difficult procedure because it requires a lot of space, seasonal, so many things. We get many of the products from the plants, but there are many disadvantages. So that is why microorganism is used as a alternative source of many of the products that can be produced in plants. Similarly, ergot can be produced in the plants, but it is having disadvantages like space, season, money, labor, yield, so many things. So the other alternative for production of ergot is by fermentation of ergot by using the fungus. So this is normally done by submerged fermentation, where the process organism, that is the organism used for production of ergot, is normally claviceps, or even some species of penicillium is used. Okay. Now, there are different types of alkaloids. Ergot is actually ergot alkaloids, and in this you have different types of alkaloids, in which some of them are water soluble and some of them are water insoluble. Okay, so you can produce the ergot by fermentation, and the fermentation which is used is submerged fermentation, where the organism uses claviceps or penicillium. Now, after the fermentation, there is formation of different types of ergot alkaloids, some of which are water soluble and some of them are water insoluble. Now, one of the important ergot alkaloids is water soluble deuterotonic principle of ergot. Principle means one of the important component of ergot, right? So one of the important component of ergot is deuterotonic, which is also known as ergonovine, ERGONOVINE, and also known as ergometrine, ERGOMETRINE, ergometrine. So this water soluble ergot alkaloid can be obtained by submerged fermentation using claviceps or penicillium. In addition to this, there are many simple lysergic derivatives which are made by claviceps purpurea. You can get more yield of these ergot alkaloids by modifying the media. The media normally contains mannitol, then succinic acid, then mineral salts. Now, in place of succinic acid, you can use fumaric acid, which will give more amount of ergot alkaloids, especially lysergic derivatives. By adding hydrophilic non-ionic surfactants, also you can get more yields of ergot alkaloids like lysergic derivatives. Now let us see the downstream process, where there is isolation of alkaloids, ergot alkaloids, and this is normally done at alkaline pH by using, along with alkaline pH, organic solvents like ether, chloroform, ethyl acetate. Now, normally what is the procedure of getting alkaloids of ergot? The sclerotia, that is the ergot, is dried, then it is powdered, and then you have to alkaline it by adding some alkalis, and this alkaloid powder is then extracted by using tartaric acid. After, when you are using tartaric acid, the pH is going to become acidic. So you again make it alkaline and then add chloroform. Now we know that the ergot alkaloids are water soluble alkaloids and water insoluble alkaloids. Example of water insoluble ergot alkaloids are normally of peptide types, and water soluble alkaloids are simple amine, lysergic acids and clavins. All these are ergot alkaloids which are present in the ergot. Now, after making alkaline, you have added chloroform. Along with chloroform, if you add methanolic ammonia with chloroform, then the alkaloids will be extracted into the chloroform. So from the liquid phase it will come into chloroform, and it is better if you add methanolic ammonia because the pH will become alkaline. So whatever extracts of chloroform you have, that will be having alkaloids. Now this chloroform is volatile, so you concentrate it, the volume will reduce. The chloroform volume will reduce. This chloroform is having alkaloids, ergot alkaloids. Now after concentrating, you dilute it with ether, ether, and you extract by using sulfuric acid. So whatever alkaloids you have, the in chloroform will be extracted into sulfuric acid. This extract of sulfuric acid having alkaloids is neutralized by using ammonia. Now the water soluble extract will be present in water, and